Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make or how to draw a helicopter. Two things you need. Well, three things if you want. Grab a helicopter toy or a helicopter 3D model if you want to do that by yourself. You need a pen and you need paper. Alright, let me flip. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you make a helicopter is try to start with the front. So, what you do is make a line like that. And then do this. Like that. Once you've done that, it should be an easy road from here. Well, it's going to get a little harder. What you want to do... try making this line a little longer. Okay, if it's not perfect, it always takes practice. Now what you want to do is try drawing the way that window looks. So on the helicopter model I'm looking at, the window goes kind of like a hexagon shape. Straight line. Now of course you don't need a model, but that's just a way. Try to straighten it out because that's a little too round. After that, draw the same shape inside of that circle. Kind of like to show the other window. Don't worry about the window that's right here. We'll get to that later. Now what we want to do is focus. There we go. Now what we want to do is take this a little bit away. Alright, this part is going to be a little tricky for some of you because you might have different viewpoints on it. Now for me, there's like this little hole that you can put guides through. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this. Then you're going to make a little rectangle. This is when it gets tricky, but we'll get it later. Don't worry. I'm gonna make this down like that. Alright. Before you go anywhere else, go down like this. Like that. That. And that. So it's a wheel. There. That looks a little weird. Not perfect either. None of us are. Another wheel. Same thing. No, I know it kind of looks dumb, huh? Looks like a plane, huh? Well, it might look like a helicopter later, because we haven't done the top propeller yet. So to that, you want to bring it towards more to the end of the page. Make it smaller as you go, like this. And then stop. This part's really important. Make that up there, but before you go there, anywhere else, make a propeller right there. Propeller right there. Propeller right there. And the propeller right there. It looks kind of weird. It's usually I would draw good like the other one, but this one I can't really look at the helicopter and the page and the camera at the same time because I don't have 3 eyes. Alright, and what you need to do next is very important too. Gotta overlap. Well, not overlap. Kind of like background. Background that. And make a little bit. You don't have to put that there. I would suggest it, but you don't have to. Alright. So right now it looks kind of like a plane, except for the ending part right there. So to make it less like a plane, we're gonna do this. Make a little rectangle on the top without the bottom part. And then what you want to do next, just this. Might not be the best tutorial. You could probably look up other ones. And add a little rectangle at the top. Right? A little rectangle at the top. This part's tricky, but it's pretty easy. It's the easiest part in the entire thing. Entire drawing, I would say. You can make these longer, but I'm just gonna make them short for the sake of this video. And we're almost done. We're almost done, but we gotta add little details. Add this right here. Basically the same thing we did with the window, but with that. Then add 2 lines like that to make the roof. After you're done with that, make a light. It's probably going to be a lot of pauses. Don't worry. Like a round shape with 2 lines in it. And we're almost done. We're almost done. Sorry. Now we just add this. Hey Max, you go boy. That is a light, so you could like shine it to show that the light is gleaming. This helicopter looks kind of dumb, I know. The last thing you want to do, add a gun. Right at the end. If you want an army helicopter. If you just want a search helicopter, don't add this. If you want, you can make this little thing that has the ammo. Make little lines in it. And yeah, like I said, we would come back to this. Just add that. Easy. Easy as pie. Now, if you want, you could add like a little guy right there. He's like shooting the gun. Gun stuff. Add someone in here. At this point, you're just watching me draw little stick figures. The chicken. Oh, Max. Alright, well, I gotta go. But that's how you draw a simple helicopter. Hope this helped you. If not, just look at the other tutorials on YouTube. And yeah, have a good day.